welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be this look right here. I came up with this look for Easter, so today is Easter. Hopefully this video will be up for you guys by today, so hopefully. But anyway, this is the look I came up with, and I hope you guys like it. If you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. Guys, what is up? It has been a hot minute, so kind of, right? Because I think I uploaded a video yesterday. My days are just so messed up, and I am healing. I don't know if you can see the shine on my fingers because I burned them off. I had an accident on Friday. I was doing hair for a fashion show. I was actually doing Addison's hair, and I saw some water on the floor, and like I almost fell. So reflex, I try to grab onto anything from keeping me from falling, and I grabbed the curling iron, not realizing what I grabbed, and I grabbed the curling iron and I freaking burned my hand. That is like the worst pain ever, because it literally feels, you can feel your skin rising, wanting to blister. You can feel it literally catching on fire. If you never burn yourself, then oh, you're so lucky, and it's just the worst pain that you would never want to experience. I'm not blistering right now. You can see a little bit, but not like really bad, because I ran to the restroom and I put my hand under cold water, and then I put it on ice for like all day, because I couldn't go get medicine or anything, because I had a fashion show. Like, we had a fashion show, we had to hurry up, and I was just had the bag of ice and it was just in there. And then we went to Walgreens to get like burn cream. Oh my god, guys. And then when we did that, I hadn't even put it on there, and like the bag of ice like was already water, like it was melting, and it wasn't even cold anymore. I felt all the pressure, I felt all the heat, I was like shaking in the car, and we're supposed to get something to eat, and I just know I told Dan, I was like, just take me home right now. I cannot stand it, take me home. And I was like shaking. I didn't even close the door. I just opened the door, I left my purse, everything in there, went to my room. Went to the refrigerator, opened the freezer, and I just put my hand on the ice and had to calm it down until Dan put like the cream and then wrapped it up. But it was like the worst pain ever. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this. But yeah, and so that whole day I took some medicine, painkillers, and I just stayed in bed and just had it wrapped. And at first it was like kind of still bothering me, and I just had the ice on it even though I had it gauze, until finally the pain was settled. Right now my fingers are very, like, I can't feel anything. They're numb, but they're very sore as well. So like if I put any heat to it, like if I had the water warm, I was like, what's on my shirt? But it's my tattoo. It just hurts because you don't want to put any heat on it. But yeah, home remedies. My mom was like, put butter on it. I was on my hand is already like wrapped. I'm not gonna unwrap it right now, but it was like the worst pain ever. I'm gonna go in with my oldie but goodie, my Urban Decay. I've been using the Kat Von D the other day, and I've been using the Tarte one, the clay mask. I'm running out of this, but since it's Easter, I really want to use the one I really love, and blemishes and all that other stuff. So I'm just gonna use this foundation today. But anyway, how have y'all been? Besides me with the whole burn thing, I've been okay. It's just busy. Tuesday is the freaking pageant, so we were working on a lot of things because they have the interview tomorrow, and so it's just like so much stuff. So yeah, so I've been in bed like from Friday, and on Saturday like I didn't go anywhere. I was just not fucking feeling it. So, which kind of sucked because my aunt came down and her husband. So like my aunt and uncle came down for Easter, and I have not even seen them. They got here Thursday night, and Thursday I was busy, and Friday I burned myself. I had the fashion show, and Saturday I just rested. So I feel like really bad, but I'm gonna go see them right now. So that should be okay. Do my eyebrows. I'm using the e.l.f. Pomade, but I can't find my brush that I normally use for this, and I'm hoping this works because I can't find my other one. I don't know what the hell I did with it. Brushes, and I can't find it. So hopefully this will work. Piper! So I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera because this takes forever. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Too Faced to prime it, but I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do like Easter colors. Like, I don't know if I have a lot of pastel colors, but we're gonna see what I have to work with because I don't even know what the hell I'm gonna wear. I didn't get me an outfit or anything for Easter, so just going by what I already have. Because yeah. Okay, so let's see what we're with the yellow on this palette. This one right here by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna be doing 2 different palettes, and I will let you guys know what I'm gonna do, which one. But for now, I'm gonna go in with that yellow one because it screams Easter, I guess. I don't know. I really don't have a lot of pastels, so we're just gonna go in with this yellow, and I'm gonna bring it in. I'm sorry if you can hear the freaking train. I hate that damn thing. So, let's see what kind of look I do today. Okay, once that is done, so I'm gonna go in with this pink one right here. This is from Sephora, collab with the Museum of Ice Cream. This yellow, this pink is actually turning it to like a peachy orangey color for some reason, but we're just gonna roll with it. We're gonna roll with it and see what we end up doing. So I'm just gonna go in and go right underneath that yellow. It's just kind of turning a different color, which is so weird. Look at that, more pink, and this is more, and it's the same thing. So I don't know, I don't understand, but it's okay. We're just gonna use the same palette and go in with this minty blue that matches my nails. Not minty, it's like a Tiffany blue, and we're gonna just go right at the edge and just dab it in. This palette's really nice. It is how can I say, the colors are good. Great pigment, great what's it called, it's like really but I don't know what the word I'm looking for. It does have a lot of fallout, so I'm gonna be honest with that, but I'm just gonna roll with it. Like I said, I've been saying, it's very colorful. I haven't used color like this in a while, like really colorful. And lately I've been using like 2 shades, 3 the most, but I'm just gonna roll with this. So that is that. So the inner, I'm going to go back with this other palette. This one right here. And I'm going to pick up this green right there, because I think I want to add a little bit of a green. Like, you know, Easter has green. Easter has grass. You go Easter egg hunting, you know. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this right at the end, at the beginning, on my eye. I can't even talk, but you know what I mean. You're watching me do this, so it's just the inner of my eye, and just blend it in there. And with the same brush that I use, and I'm not adding any more product, I'm just going over it just to blend it. So I'm just using the brush, using the product that is already on here, not adding any more and not adding any less. It's just going over it like that. So I'm going to go in with my concealer. I've been liking this concealer a lot lately, and I never thought I would, because you guys know my ride or die is the Maybelline one. But this is a really, really good concealer, and this is what I've been using since I got it, to be honest. I've been using this non-stop, and I need to go get me another one that we can have a backup, because it's really, really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and squirt this. I dropped my other one. So, and then there we go. I'm already running out, and I'm just gonna push it in the product. So the kids were out of school for Friday, and they're out of school for Monday, which is crazy because I don't remember if they were ever off for school on Monday. Maybe they were and I just don't remember. But it helps though, because tomorrow is the beginning of the stuff they need to do for the pageant, which is like their interview that they have to go to. They have to go to dress rehearsal, their last practice, all of that jazz. So it's like a busy day tomorrow. And I have to do their hair, and I'm over here like frightened because like I don't want to burn myself again. I burned my hand and it freaking is like, it's sore right now and it kind of hurts right now, so I'm gonna have to put more cream on it in a bit. But I swear I don't wish that upon anybody. If you ever gotten burned, or people that gotten burned from like fires and stuff, I can only imagine how much pain they are in, because just my hand hurts so freaking bad. And that's because I didn't even like have third-degree burns, so I can only imagine like what it feels like. It's like worse than what I felt. Oh my god, if that's ever happened to you, I feel so bad for you. Like I feel like my heart's with you because freaking hurts. Okay, so now to do everything, and I do this a lot, guys, because I am very oily and I need to not have it peek through, because I don't like oily skin, because mine is oily. So okay, so we're gonna go, I'll do that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner, and since I got a new one, I'm gonna be going in with my Ico. I was gonna put liner, but now I think I am, so I'm just gonna go. I kind of wanted to drag a little. Like that. And with Jawbreaker from Jeffree Star, I'm going to use this blue one, and I'm going to use it as a lower eyeliner. I'm just going to go ahead and dab my brush like that and use it for the bottom. My hands hurt. So then I'm going to smudge this one on this Juvia's Place palette, and going ahead and go underneath. And smudge that under. To bronze, I'm going to go in with my sugar one. I'm already hitting pan on this, but I really love this bronzer. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my from the temple down and just bronze the hell out of this. So can't forget the nose. Guys, I have a vlog for you guys. I'm just I'm editing it right now and adding some more footage, but I do have a vlog for you guys. I can't wait to upload it. so be expecting that. Okay, so for blush today, I want to go in with more of a peachy, I guess. So I think what I'm going to do is going to go ahead and go in with this Peachy Paradise. But now I'm going to go in with this one. I was going to go in with like a orangey one, but I'm going to go ahead and go in with this one. Like a, oh, it smells so freaking good. I don't know what the scent is. Peaches. It's like a peach, I think. It's like really, it's this one right here, the L'Oreal one. I love. For highlight today, we're going to go in with the Ofra. This is the new one that I got in my Ipsy. It is in the shade Rodeo Drive, which I have been there. Okay, so we're going to go in with this really pretty highlight. And it's intense, so we gotta be careful. Because she want to come out. She want to tell everybody, look at me. Because that's what she wants to do. So pretty. Okay, so like with the inner, I think I am going to do an inner. I need to find a brush, so hold on. Where are you, boo? Gotcha. Okay, so that looked like I was smoking. Okay, so we're gonna go in with Chick City from City of Colors. I like this really pretty white one. It's like a really pretty, like, opal-y color. And I'm gonna go in right there. Because it's just so pretty. But hold on. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this shade right here for the highlight underneath my eyebrow, because I haven't done that in a very long time, and I used to do that. It was like part of the routine. So I think I'm gonna do that today. I think I am doing that today. Why did I do that? Really, bro? Oh, fixed it. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and do some mascara. Lately I've been using a new one. I'm using the Man Eater one because the other one I'm running out of. So we're going to do that, and then probably the Wet n Wild one. I always like to put like 2 mascaras because it helps with the lashes. Yeah, so I'm going to do this for off camera, even though I'm doing this on camera right now. And then I'm going to put some lashes. I'm going to do my hair. But before I even do that, I'm going to do this, put the lashes on, and then I will tell you the lip combo that I'm going to do. Or maybe lipstick. I don't think I'm going to do a combo. I don't really do combos, but I'll let you know what color I'm going to choose. Okay, so the hair is done. So for the lip, I've been using back and forth between 2 lipsticks. But this one, they're both, I think, lip stains. And this one is the Balm Jour. It's this one right here. And I really like the way this lip tint is. And yeah, so I think I'm going to use a lip tint today. Where that came from. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. I don't know, lately I've been liking these lip tints so far. Well, the 2 that I have. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for getting ready for me and hearing my chit chat and all that. This is a new lip stain. I've been liking a lot of lip stains lately, but yeah, that is about it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, don't forget to slam the subscribe button. Remember to be notified for future videos, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.